In this video, I will show you exactly how to find and add professional infographic templates right inside CorelDRAW. Using these pre-made layouts is a fantastic way to save time while ensuring your data looks polished and visually appealing. To get started, go ahead and launch CorelDRAW on your computer. Once the application is fully loaded and you are looking at the main welcome screen, navigate your mouse up to the top menu bar. From there, click on the File menu, and then select the option that says New from Template. This action will open up a dedicated template browser window where you can explore a wide variety of professionally designed assets. Now, take a look at the categories listed in the left sidebar. You should see a specific category for infographics or perhaps social media designs. If you do not see a dedicated category visible right away, do not worry at all. You can simply go to the search bar located at the very top of the window and type in the word infographic to filter the results. Once the results appear, take some time to browse through the various layouts available to you. You will find everything from detailed timelines and process flowcharts to side-by-side comparison columns and data charts. When you find the specific design that fits your project needs, just click on it and then hit the Open button. CorelDRAW will immediately generate a fresh and fully editable copy of that infographic layout directly onto your workspace canvas. From this point, you can easily click on any element to change the colors, swap out the placeholder text with your own information, or adjust the shapes to match your unique branding. It really is that simple to get a head start on your graphic design projects using these built-in tools.